Do you think a 1 billion car only costs you 1 billion? You are completely wrong.
It might be stealing your dream home and 5 years of freedom right under your nose. Level 1, the purchase. That initial rush of owning a luxury machine like this Camaro SS. The smell of a brand new car. They say it is the smell of pure ambition. When that engine roars, you feel like you have finally made it in the world. You are not just driving a car. You are driving a statement of your success. Every head turns as you pass by. This is the peak of the honeymoon phase. You feel invincible. You feel like the main character in your own movie. But wait, the show is only just beginning. Welcome to the second level. Level 2, the show. This is where everyone else starts to notice you. Your friends are impressed. Suddenly, you are the guy who is really doing well. At work, the bosses look at you differently. You look like a closer, a winner.
Even your family feels proud. The car has become your new identity.
It is a tool for social recognition. You have identified yourself through an object. But what happens when the applause stops and the bills start arriving? Level 3, the crack. This is where the shiny reality starts to fracture. Hidden costs emerge. Insurance for a young driver with a fast car is brutal. Then comes the premium fuel. The Camaro is thirsty, and gas prices are rising. Maintenance isn't cheap either. High-performance tires and oil changes add up fast. Total monthly cost? $1,527. Double your original loan payment. That is money that could have been your future. Now, let's meet Devin. Level 4, the math. Devin drives an old, beat-up car, but has a secret. Instead of car payments, I put that money into the S&P 500 every month. 5 years later, the results are devastating. Let us look at the numbers.
Devin has over $70,000 in cash. I have a depreciating asset.
Level 5, the weight. I realized I was actually $29,000 underwater. The car wasn't a prize. It was an anchor keeping me from my goals. I couldn't save for a house. I was working just to keep the car. The stress was real. Every noise the car made felt like a financial disaster. I was playing the role of a rich man while becoming poorer every day. Level 6, letting go. I finally made the hardest but best decision. I sold the car. It wasn't about the money lost. It was about freedom. I expected to feel regret. Instead, I just felt lighter. Finally, I could breathe. No more huge bills. No more performing for others. Just me and my choices. The weight was gone. My net worth started climbing for the first time. Level 7, the truth. There is a massive difference between performing wealth and building it. Performing is easy. Anyone can sign a loan. Building takes discipline and time. True wealth is not about what you own. It is about the options you have. When you have money in the bank, you have the power to say no. Your self-esteem shouldn't come from a logo on your steering wheel. It comes from freedom. Stop chasing the show. Start building the foundation of your life today. Every dollar you don't waste on an ego purchase is a brick for your future. Imagine what you could do with an extra $1,500 every month. Don't wait until you are $30,000 in debt to wake up. The trap is beautiful, but it is still a trap. Choose your freedom instead. That new car smell will fade in 6 months. Debt lasts for years. 5 years from now, do you want a rusty car or a fat bank account? Look at Devin. He didn't have the flashy car, but now he has the keys to a home. The choice seems obvious when you look at the long-term math. True confidence doesn't need to be loud. It just needs to be real. Start your journey to actual wealth. It begins with one smart decision. Wealth is what you don't see. It's the cars not bought and the clothes not worn. Learn to ignore the social pressure to look rich while you are actually broke. Devin was the teacher I didn't know I needed. Simplicity is the ultimate sophistication. Invest in your mind before you invest in your driveway. That's the real win. If you want more truths about money and freedom, stay tuned with us. Don't let a car steal your future. Build your empire instead. See you soon. The road to wealth is paved with the choices you make today. A new day of financial freedom is waiting for those who dare to be different. All right, let's head over here. Your journey starts now. Remember, the smartest investment you can ever make is always in yourself. Take care of your future self. They will thank you for it later. Small habits lead to massive results over time. Just keep going.
This is the harvest of your patience. It is worth more than any car.
Find your peace in security, not in the praise of others. Your journey to awakening is just beginning. Stay focused on the goal. The path is clear now. Go out and build the life you deserve. I'd like to introduce you to our new initiative. I'm ready to take my business to the next level. Reach your potential today.